Panna Cotta, one of the easiest desserts you can make. And I love it because you can make it ahead of time, place it into the fridge, and it's ready to go for a dinner party or a quick dessert. So you need some cream. I've got 300 mils of thickened cream. I like to use a thickened cream with this because you get that wonderful velvety result. So this goes straight into a pot. Panna Cotta, in fact, means cooked cream. So we're going to boil that cream along with some milk, so just a splash of milk. To sweeten it up, some caster sugar and just a touch of vanilla bean paste, say about a teaspoon. Okay, now I'll just give that a bit of a stir just to start dissolving that sugar, and we need this to come up to the boil. What I love about Panna Cotta, when you know this cream base, you can make any flavour you like, from strawberry to raspberry, or give it a bit of a tropical feel, which is what I'm going to be doing by making mango panna cottas. So over here I have some mango. This is just some frozen mango. I've defrosted it. Great to have on standby when you want to make a dessert like this. Into a jug. And I want to blend this until we form a really smooth puree. All right, that is looking really good. Just take that out. We also need some gelatin to set this. So I'm using some titanium grade gelatin. For my quantity, I like to use 2.5 sheets of gelatin leaves, cold water. Now you can get these gelatin leaves from some supermarkets now. You can also find it at delis and some specialty stores. So you put them in one at a time, and you just let them soften. The reason we put it in cold water is so we can actually squeeze it and it stays in one big mass. If you have warm water, it's just really hard to get the gelatin out after it's softened or bloomed. So we'll just leave that there for a moment, and let's have a look at this cream mixture. See how that's just coming to the boil now. It's looking really good. We can add our pureed mango. We'll pour that in. And right there, we have a lovely panna cotta base. So just give that a bit of a stir, combine it. All right, time to add our gelatin. So you have a look here. See how that's just softened up? We want to squeeze out the excess water, and then that can go straight into our hot mixture. So I'm going to turn the heat off, and we just want that to dissolve. So we just have to stir that through. Keep mixing, and it dissolves very fast. Now, there are many different ways of serving this. I like to serve it in glasses so you really see the colour of the panna cotta. So I've just got 6 glasses here. You can use a mixture if you like of different ones, whatever you like. And the best way to get this mixture into those glasses is via a jug. So I like to just put a sieve on top, and just if there's little bits of mango or extra gelatin, just sieve this so it gets quite smooth and velvety. Extra assurance. Okay, grab your spatula and just allow that mixture to just very slowly come through. Oh, it smells so good. Mango, vanilla, love this combination. All right, that's about right. And we can pour that in. So carefully pour this mixture into the glasses. This then goes into the fridge, and we just allow them to set for a few hours, or even better, just do it overnight. Panna cottas have firmed up nicely, they've set, they're just right. And delicious as is, but let's add a few extra things to make them extra special. Some macadamias. I love the texture of macadamia, and it goes really nicely with the mango. So we'll just place a few on the board. These ones are already toasted, so we don't need to pop them in the oven. These ones have already been roasted, but if yours aren't, just place them into the oven, 180 for about 5 to 10 minutes, just to really extract as much flavour as possible. And we'll place the panna cotta glasses, got a bright blue plate, colour contrast, and maybe just a little extra cream. I love the addition of some double cream for this. Grab a spoon and a nice dollop on top of each of the panna cottas to make them look extra special. And there. I always have a little jug of water here just to make it easier to scoop out the cream. That. sits up just right. The zest of some lime over the top. That just cuts through the richness. Our macadamias for the crunch. Sprinkle that over. A little more. And a little sprig of mint on each. What a dessert. It looks elegant, it's kind of dainty, yet so simple to make. Panna Cotta with a bit of a mango tropical feel.